Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, and here behind me we have a brand new Honda Accord Hybrid Touring. I'm going to be showing you guys what you're gaining from the EXL to that Touring model, so you guys know the difference. At the end of the video, let us know, is it worth the price difference and not, and also what color you're going to get. All right, so let's get going. First one we're going to start off with is going to be the Bose sound system here. So you got good quality speakers, and then we're going to have the heads-up display here that gives you information right there on your windshield. You're going to have to take your eyes off. You can choose what you want to display up there. So pretty nice. Then for the passengers in the back, they can keep nice and toasted with rear heated seats from there. And you got different tiers, low, medium, and high. Then we're going to go right off to the side to talking about the Google Assist that you can use for voice commands like turn on your front heated seats, your ventilated seats, set your climate control, everything on the fly to say, hey Google, and then you're good to go to say your command, and plus a lot more with Google Assist. So there are a couple examples. And then we're going to have your front ventilated seats. As you guys can see, that's only available in the Touring trim. Heated seats will be available in the EXL. Then we have a wireless phone charger right here. So it's going to be great to help maintain your phone battery on the road. Then we have rain sensing wipers. As you can see, I have a bottle of water here. I'm just squirting on the windshield. It's set to auto from there, so as it gets wet, it just wipes it right off. It's automatic from there. And then we're going to have a different set of outlet rims, as you can see right here for the Touring trim. They look pretty nice and sharp, machine cut finish. From there, then I'll throw a photo up there so you can see what the EXL is going to have. And then, of course, both trims are going to have parking sensors. But here with the Touring trim, you're going to have low-speed braking control. I'm just pointing out the parking sensors now where they're located at. So as you're backing up, of course, to sign up with the low-speed control, it will stop you before you hit an object too. So that's great for an extra pair of eyes out there in the parking lots. All right, guys, so there we go. Now you know what you're gaining from the EXL to the Touring trim. The price difference on that is only $4,350 difference. Can you justify that? Are those features that important that you would like to upgrade or need to get to that point? Let us know down below in the comments, and I'd also love to hear what color you guys are going to get if you choose to go with the Touring model, okay? Well, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.